Manipur this time? Is there Manipur? Manipur, anyone? Monica Konjengbam from Manipur! Monica Konjengbam, congratulations! Konjengbam from Manipur. Well, congratulations. All the best.
Thank you so much, Naveed.
Hello, Monica.
Very good evening, ma'am.
You look angelic, stunning.
Same to you, ma'am.
So, your question, I think you understood very well right now. Okay? So, you have to share a shining moment from your life where with your strength and aura, you became the shining star of your story.
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. If I have to share a moment from my life where I felt like a shining star, that would be the moment I came out of that zone, of that abyss of darkness, where I felt like I was gonna be something else. But no, I overcame those things. Constantly being body shamed, I was made to feel that I was less than deserving. But today, here I am, shining. And I guess this is my shining moment. I take this as my shining moment. And to everyone who is feeling left out, I'm here as an example for all of you that you can achieve whatever you dream and whatever you wish for. Go for it. Thank you so much.
Sunsilk Serum. Mega Miss Northeast 28th edition. One of the co-winner is Manipur Monica Konjengbam. Miss Continental World this year in Thailand will be represented by Manipur Monica.